We are going to learn some vocabularies for today's video. I. In English, we use I, but in Burmese, for a female speaker, we use chama, chama. For male speaker, we use jano, jano. In English, we use you for male speaker, singular or plural. In Burmese, we say you singular male speaker, we say kamya, kamya. For the plural, we say kamyadu, kamyadu. For female speaker, you, we say shen. For female speaker, plural, shendo, shendo. He, she, or it, we say tu, tu. This, da, di, da, di. That, era, Eddie, Edda, Eddie. That one over there, hoo-ha. That one over there, hoo-ha. Name, Nami, Nami. Yes, that's right. Hoke, Hoke. Map, Nebo, Map, Nebo. Book, Sao, Book, Sao. Newspaper, Drenza, Newspaper, Drenza. Watch, clock, hour. We say nai, nai. Pen, bobbin, pen, bobbin. Pencil, keda, pencil, keda. Bag, a, bag, a. What? Ba? What? Ba? What's this? Dabale. What's this? Dabale. No, not so. That's not right. Mahopu, Mahopu. Yes, sir. Okay ba.